Welcome to Stevie's Kitchen. Tonight, I got a good, healthy meal prep option for you. It takes about 30 minutes or less. It's a way to stay full without all the carbs. It's a quick ground beef and zucchini recipe. So with the zucchini, I've cut all the zucchini about 1 centimeter thick with my mandolin slicer. Want a nice even cuts. I'm gonna do about 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Just getting enough on here to kind of coat all the zucchini. Give it a nice little toss so that oil coats all of our zucchini. I'm gonna do a teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and a little bit of fresh cracked black pepper. And I'm gonna get a little toss on this again. Make sure all of our pieces are coated. As you notice, I didn't put salt in here, and I didn't put salt in it because I want to not have too much of the moisture that's inside the zucchini come out whenever it's inside the oven. Salt naturally pulls out moisture. I would end up steaming the zucchini. Instead, I'm trying to just roast them off. So add your salt at the end. Now that we have the zucchini tossed and coated, we're now just gonna leave them out or lay them out individually. You don't want to overcrowd the pan too much. It's another way you will end up with a little bit of steam in the oven, and you'll steam your veggies instead of roasting them. You don't have to do this individually like me. I just kind of started and now here I am. All right, so now that we have this laid out, this is about to go into a 425 degree oven for about 15 minutes. Now we're gonna get started on the ground beef mixture. So I got half of a big onion here that I've diced up. I got 5 cloves of garlic. So we're just gonna get these in here and get a light cook on them for about 2-3 minutes just to kind of let them sweat. Get a little color on them. The base of all great savory food, onions and garlic. So this is one of the type of meals that I would eat probably in June, July, when I was getting ready for training camp, or I'll be pulling like 2-a-days, getting up in the morning and hitting the weight room. And then after the weight room, I would go out to the field, do DB drills, ladder work, sprints, everything like that. This would be one of those type of recovery meals for myself because this would be a type of recovery meal for me because, like I said, it is a little bit lower in carbs, but it's a lot of beef that's gonna go in here and a lot of vegetables. So it's definitely a high protein, what my muscles need to be repaired. And then it'd be filling, so I wouldn't feel too bad. And be ready for the next day to go. So now I'm just gonna add a pinch of salt. And a little bit of fresh cracked black pepper. Give this another mix. Just getting a little bit of color on these onions. You just want them to be a little translucent. And then we'll go in with our beef. Now we're gonna go in, I have 2 pounds of beef. It's that G Farm special. If you don't know about it, if you're in Texas, look up G Farms. It's the best beef. So I got 2 pounds going in. I'm just gonna cook this until it browns. And then once we get towards the end, we'll start to add our seasonings. So now I'm gonna go in with 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Just get a slight mix on that. Just add a little bit of flavor in here. And then While that's cooking in, I'm gonna take 2 teaspoons of onion powder. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. A teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Some fresh cracked black pepper. Two good pinches of salt. So I'm just going to turn the heat down a little bit to a nice little low simmer. I'm just going to let all these flavors mix together for about another minute or two. And then I'm going to toss in the zucchini and they'll be ready to go. So now that we got our mixture finished here, our ground beef, onions, garlic, everything like that, our zucchini is now out the oven. It's been slightly cooled. We're just going to toss this in. Do little stragglers. Now we're just going to toss all this together. This is one of these perfect meals that you can eat quick anytime. Just pop it in the microwave, heat it up, and you got a good, healthy, high protein meal ready to go. You ready to try it?
Yeah. It's not hot.
All right. Take a bite. You like it? You do?
You'll come.
What?
You'll come in my playroom.
Do you like the food? Daddy did good?
Daddy, you'll come in my playroom.
Did Daddy do good? There we go. Thank you.
Daddy, you'll come in my playroom.
Give me 2 seconds and then I'll come in the playroom, all right? So, I think that was the best taste test right there. What was that old cereal commercial? Kid tested, mother approved. This was kid tested, father approved beef and zucchini, but now let me get my taste in. It was perfect for me. After a workout, right before I need to get back to work to fuel me, this is perfect right here. Yeah. I'll be able to eat this time and time again.